Hey there, it's Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how you can share dynamic video campaigns through LaGrowthMachine. Okay, so I have my campaign already processed. The videos are right here. And if you do not know how to do this, no worries, because I'll leave a link below so you can know how you can start your dynamic video campaign for the first time. But because mine is ready, I'll jump right into it. Okay, so you need to know that there are two steps involved. The first one will be to actually download the CSV file we provide, not the one that you use to create this campaign. And the other one will be to go in here to share dynamic videos and looking for the growth machine. So we can give you the snippet code that you'll need to create your campaign in the growth machine. Okay. So once this is ready, we'll actually need to download it. So once you have that, you can now jump into the growth machine platform, and I'll make this smaller here. So you'll of course need to upload that right here. You'll have the option, but otherwise, if you don't, you can go here to leads, and you can go here to import leads and go for import from CSV file. Okay, so I'll select mine right here. Okay, and you'll see some columns right here, of course, and there's actually one that says video link. You do not need this, so no worries. You can click on edit and click on skip. Okay, also company website is not entirely necessary. You'll of course use it for something else, but it's not necessary for our process for Sendspark. Okay, so just be sure, of course, that you leave the first name and business email or email as it is. So once we have that, we can click on import leads. I'll put a name here. So testing, save. And you'll notice that I'll be prompted to create a campaign right away. You can just click there and do it. But in my case, I'll go here to campaigns on the left. Okay. So let me close this and this. Okay. So I'll click on create a new campaign. You can see that we have a lot of options to select from. So I'll just keep it simple. I'll select this one right here. Yep, and create campaign. So you'll have a condition which you can of course modify, but what we care about right now is this one which says send email. So I'll go back to my campaign here and look for the growth machine, select the snippet code, go back, and now you can simply go Command V or Control V. So it is as simple as that. You'll see, of course, this thumbnail with no background because this is the generic one, and it will, of course, autofill or fulfill correctly according to each of your contacts. So be sure to click, let me save that, sorry. Oh, yes, the subject. There we go. Okay, so be sure to click on audience, select the correct one that we have just made, which is testing in my case. So be sure to uh, assign the correct CSV file with the correct contacts, so that way you'll have no mistake right there. Okay, so it is as simple as that. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye bye.